My wife's favorite sunglasses decided that they are going to take a break from being in one piece. So this part loosened up and fell apart. That part fell apart. And the one thing I have figured out is that superglue does not work for that. It does not hold the plastic. It does not work. But UV resin, that works really good. So we're going to try and fix these up again. I think this is the second time I fixed it because there was some that was on here that decided to finally give up. But yeah, that's the joys and pain of people who pull them off with one handle, I think. Could be. I know that for regular glasses, eye doctors have said take your glasses off with one hand on each side. It stresses the frame less. And I've tried to do that since I broke some frames in the past for the regular glasses. So it's possible that was just, it could also just be that they're cheap plastic and they're not supposed to last forever, and that's why they're supposed to be disposable. But then it's, you like them and they don't make them anymore and that kind of thing. So let's see what happens. Alright, let's get going. The kit comes with a nice UV flashlight, so that's good. But yeah, basically this is literally just you put the UV resin on and you shine it, and okay, that one's good. Get some in the next spot, shine it. It's interesting, the light from seeing from up above doesn't nearly glow as much as that, but the camera definitely shows that it's definitely glowing a lot. So here we go. Get some more. And after all the video, I did end up putting another batch across the top. But yeah, that all worked. There we go. A couple minutes later, all better. That one's covered in the UV epoxy, or resin, I guess. It's resin, not epoxy. It's a single thing. And that's fixed on this side. It's a little bit of a blob. Oh, come on, focus. It's a little bit of a blob on the lens. I don't think that's going to matter. The big key is it's good. So a combination of the little UV flashlight that came in this kit and a little bit of sunshine, and we're all good. Because obviously the little flashlight is not going to do as good as the bright sunshine. So yeah, all fixed.